Is it a sweet pepper?
That's the special sauce.
So today is going to be a simple, fresh, delicious salsa. If made properly, you'll never buy another salsa at the store again. I'm going to finish with a punch gran puro and a tequila herradura añejo. Let's get to it. The key is to get fresh ingredients as shown. I'm using cherry tomatoes because they have more flavor. Begin by parboiling the tomatoes for about 30 seconds, then shock in an ice bath. This allows the skin to be easily peeled if desired. Since ain't nobody got time for that, I blended the whole tomatoes with the skin. Then put the tomatoes through a strainer, agitate with a spoon to get some of the water out. Place the tomato mass back in the processor. Begin by chopping the vegetables. Don't be too precious as it will all get blended together. Use a fine grater on the ginger, garlic, and carrot. Fold the cilantro in half and chop. To lend a smoky flavor, I torch the Thai chilies with a butane lighter, then chop together with the seeds. If you want a little less heat, remove the seeds as shown. Once all the vegetables are chopped, add to the tomato mass. Add lemon or lime juice, olive oil, pepper and salt, paprika and chili powder as desired. Then simply blend everything together for about 10 seconds.
Moment of truth, there we go.
That would have been a different history. I don't know if it's true, but I
Let's see.
heard that he
Good?
learned
Honest
to
Indian?
speak,
Yep.
Farsi.
A little kick to it. Moment of truth for Josh for the salsa.
Very
It's nice, tasty. There's a sweet flavor I couldn't place initially.